Hi dear Scorpios, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Scorpios, Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place, and the second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. The third thing, this is a reading from 1st till the 10th of November. Let's start. Scorpio, your partner's current energy right now is, let's see. Your partner's current energy right now is Four of Pentacles. Scorpio, your partner right now is holding something very dear to them. So they are trying to control something. They are trying to, they are not able to release something in their current energy. They are just holding so many things together. They are just trying to hold so many things together, especially money wise. I feel like especially money wise, this person is holding back a lot. Holding, not releasing any kind of emotions might be, or money might be. Let me see, let me clarify the Four of Pentacles in their current energy. Fool, Ten of Swords and the Queen of Cups. So they are not able to release the energy. They are holding a lot of thoughts, lot of energy, but they are not able to release that. But beneath that surface, beneath that thing, there is some kind of emotions. They are taking the leap of faith. Okay, within themselves, they are just trying to take a leap of faith with the universe, because they feel like the worst is over in their life. Everything is over. That was worst. Now new life is happening. Self love, self healing, self care is happening. But they are not releasing. They are not releasing the negative energy. But beneath that negative energy, beneath this control issues, beneath this holding a lot, holding something very tightly, they are feeling like they need this. They need a brand new start in their life. They know that, but they are not able to do that. Okay, let me see what is happening in your current energy. Let me see what is happening in your current energy, Scorpio. Ace of Wands. Okay, some kind of brand new beginning is happening in your life right now. It's kind of passionate start. And for some of you who are on their spiritual journey, there's some kind of third eye chakra awakening happening here. Okay, kind of blissful situation you are going through right now, and your intuition power is very high right now. Let me clarify the Ace of Wands. Let me clarify the Ace of Wands in your current energy. King of Swords in reverse and the Ace of Wands and the Knight of Wands. Lots of passion, hell lot of passion. So now I feel like you are releasing your emotions. Now you are ready to open up, ready to give the clarity, the intentions, everything about you. You are ready to have a brand new beginning in love, in your energy, especially especially sexually, physically and sexually, and especially towards passion, more towards passion than love. You're very passionate about something or someone, and you are ready to explore new things, ready to explore new people in your life might be. But this is certainly very interesting, because this energy is fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy, and this is very sexual energy, fertility kind of energy. Okay, you are right now very fertile, and you are right now going through a period of might be beautiful sexual energy around you. Ready for a brand new beginning. This is your current energy. Ready for a brand new beginning, and ready for not bang on not bang on ready for a brand new beginning in your life. God, that is for you are passionate. You are very passionate about something or someone, and you are just ready to have that in your life. Now I'm getting the words. Let me see what your partner feels for you. Page of Swords. They are watching over you. They are watching over you via online, via some kind of stuff, and they are just reading you. They're just trying to read you. They are just trying to know you. They are just trying to understand what kind of person you are. What they feel for you is they just feel like knowing you better, knowing you from the start, from the scratch. Okay. Kind of knowledgeable person, mentally very intellectual, mentally very strong. So they just feel like connecting with you on the mental level. God. Let me clarify their feelings for you. The Page of Swords, Four of Wands, Two of Wands, Five of Cups. I think you guys are getting married to each other and or celebrating some kind of commitment or relationship or something like that. They were waiting for this thing to happen from a very long time, this particular person, and they feel like they were sad and depressed and lost without you. That is why they are trying to know you. Or it could also be possible that they are hurt from the past relationship and they are being in a relationship with you. They are hurt from the past situation. It could be past relationship or past situation, anything. Now you guys are getting married and just waiting for the time that where you guys can come out of this hurtful situation and get married, healing situation. So what they feel for you is they want to know you better, they want to read you, they want to understand you. They feel like this. They're coming out of a very hurtful situation in their life, and that's why they are just taking it slow, trying to take it slow. And I feel like you guys are in a committed relationship and just waiting for the time where you can just get married or take this relationship to the next level. Scorpio, let's see what this person wants from you. Eight of Swords. They want you to come out of this conflict and mental jail or something that you have created for yourself. They just want you to come out of this conflicting state of mind. Might be you're in a conflict or dilemma regarding this particular connection with them. So that's why this person just want you to come out of this hurtful and mentally restricted and mentally in jail kind of situation. And they want you to see the clear picture. They want you to see the real world. They want you to come out of the illusion. You have created certain kind of illusion and mentally conflicting yourself. So they just want you to come out of that. Let me clarify. The Devil and the Four of Swords and the Six of Swords. They just want you to come out of this toxicity and negativity that you are holding for this relationship or for the future of this relationship. They just want you to come out of that, and they just want you to meditate, take a step back and analyze and understand each and everything before proceeding further. They feel like you should, what they want from you is a peaceful resolution or peaceful solution and a peaceful future with you. So they want you to come out of this negativity, toxicity that you are right now feeling mentally, and they want you to meditate and contemplate and take a step back from the heartbreak that you had, or heal from the heartbreak that you had, because might be of somebody else, because of them, might be in the past, I don't know. And they just want to have a peaceful resolution or peaceful solution to the problem in hand. So they basically just want you to come out of this conflicting state of mind. Okay, cool. Let's see what this person, what is happening with you till the 10th of November. Let's see what is coming towards you. Justice could be dealing with a Libra. So justice is going to happen between you and them. If you did something wrong, you are going to get the karma. If they did something wrong, they are going to get the karma. There will be balance in the equation. There will be balance in the relationship by the 10th of November. Balance is coming towards you. Let me clarify. Ready to face the karma. It is like, be ready to face the karma. High Priestess and the Ace of Pentacles and the Four of Pentacles. So yes, somebody is very silent, might be from a very long time, and that silent person is going to break the silence, and they are going to offer the friendship or offer the relationship or offer something solid to you. But again, they will hold back lots of things. But there's balance coming. See, this person is going to be silent. They are not going to be very much interactive or communicative. But you will realize that might be they are not telling you this. Might be not they are not offering you this offer like this, that yeah, please be with me and all that. But eventually you will feel like they are releasing this energy, this control issues, this controlling nature, and they are just providing you something that you always wanted from a very long time. So certain kind of balance is coming in this situation between you and them. Justice is coming towards you from their side. Okay, if you did something wrong, see, just be ready to face the karma, Scorpio. It is like a karmic cycle coming up. Okay, thank you so much, Scorpios, for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.